Question 1. Candice has 1/4 as much money as Phineas. So Candice will have 1 unit and Phineas will have 4 units. Ferb has 2 out of 5 as much money as Candice. So Ferb has 2 units and Candice has 5 units. If Ferb has $72 less than Phineas, find the total amount of money the three of them have. So let's write out all our ratios. We know that Phineas to Candace will be 4 to 1. And we know that Candace to Ferb is equals to 5 to 2. So what we realize is that there's actually an identical repeated variable. And in this case, it will be Candice. So now, since we have two Candices on both ratios, we want to make their number of units the same. So between 5 and 1, the common multiple would be 5. So in order to get 5 from 1, we have to multiply it by 5. So we also multiply 4 by 5, and this gives us 20. So now let's rewrite our ratio and combine all of them. So we have Phineas to Candice to Ferb goes to 20 to 5 to 2. Okay, so the question says that Ferb has $72 less than Phineas. So let's find their difference in unit. So difference in units would be between Ferb and Phineas is 20 units minus 2u. So this gives us 18u. So we know that 18u represents $72. So let's find the value of 1u. So $72 divided by 18 gives us $4. So the question wants to know the total amount of money the three of them have. So total amount of money would be their total number of units. So 20u plus 5u plus 2u equals to 27u. And this is equals to 27 times $4, which gives us $108. So this is your final answer.